Greetings guys, it's Brian over NuTech Cleaning Systems, and I've had a lot of people requesting a video showing the HydraMaster PEX 500 heated portable. One of the things about the PEX portable, originally US products, then purchased by HydraMaster, absolutely one of the top portables we could sell to a person for a lot of reasons, which we're going to go over today. One, it is one of the only portables made that actually can get up to 212 degrees at the wand tips and very close to. So fantastic heat out of this portable. I'm going to be talking about a lot of features. People always say, well, why is this portable more money than the average portable? And when I'm done showing you all the features of this portable, it's a no-brainer why and the value of it. The customers that have these always come back to us and want another one, and they say a couple things. One, the way this was originally engineered and designed is so that it's actually like a dolly effect. That was the idea with this design. And as you can see, I can just take one hand and it can be rolled around like a dolly, more than the old-fashioned portable that might be real front heavy or have a real big footprint in a truck. If you notice, this has a fairly narrow footprint. It's not elongated like a lot of the portables. Another feature of this portable that makes it really excellent is one person can unload and load this portable without breaking their back, without hurting themselves. It's actually very light, very mobile to move around, but it also has these kind of wheels that are on the handle. And the idea of that is you can simply tip it up to a truck, kind of lean it in, and there's a handle here on the front of the portable, so we can simply lift it up and kind of roll it right in. Then if we want to stand it back up or whatever, we can do that. So it's real easy, and that's what I get from a lot of the managers, project managers, and owners, is that my techs love this portable because it's light. It's really easy to get up and down the stairs because of that dolly design that it was originated from. So absolutely fantastic for the technician, not breaking his back. Another feature that's really nice, the pressure control. You know, this can be turned down. It can be turned up to 500 PSI. This is a 500 PSI. That's why they call it the PEX 500. 500 PSI, you can control it. It's got the gauge right here, so your technician who's operating the portable can see it clean and simply. The dual vacuums, all the power switches, everything is right here. Sweet, simple, very nice controls. Top-mounted pressure line and vacuum line. As they engineered these portables, they found that these top-mounted vacuum ports actually created more vacuum. In addition, it allowed them to set up a system internally in this portable. This is one of the quietest portables we sell. It's one of the quietest portables made, to my knowledge. Their decibels are very low. Why is that important? Well, if we're doing an old folks home, a hospital, a school, places where sound is actually really important. We do get that question quite often. Is it loud? Is it noisy? The one I have now it just screams noisy. This is actually really quiet to operate. Now, another thing with having these top-mounted controls, when these portables are in a truck, they're rolling around, guys are throwing in other equipment and they're banging and they're breaking these off and breaking switches, and this, with all this being top-mounted and recessed like this, it's very protected. So it's really nice how that works. Filling this portable with fresh water is super easy. It's got a wide open space to pour your 5-gallon buckets of water in. Cleaning the top out, the dirty water tank, is very easy to clean. The ball filter for shutting off is right here, easy to access and replace, clean, repair, whatever you have to do. Just super simple, which of course we all like. It does have a circuit finder on it, so when we plug in the two circuits, it'll light green when we're on two safe circuits, so we're not popping circuit breakers and all that. That's a really nice feature as well. A lot of guys will say, well, you know, a lot of these are hard to drain, they're sloppy, you know, you pull a gate valve up and they slop all over the place. That is true, but on this one, this has a recessed, it just snaps in and snaps out drain hose, so it's super easy to pull out and drain. It's just really nice how this all comes together. With that, it's got the built-in cord wraps, so that you know, your cords can be wrapped and controlled and not all over the place. In addition, it's got a built-in, and I took this off for the purpose of the video so I could show. This has a built-in wand holder that simply snaps in. So when technicians are carrying their equipment and products into the structure to do their cleaning, this is taken care of, it's secured. It does have a Velcro strap there in addition to the snap-in. So like if you're traveling and you really want to secure the wand for travel, you can also Velcro it in to hold it in the snapping holder. So very, very nice. These portables originally, when they were originally made, were black and white, the old US products white. The original white was okay because you could kind of see the water in them. The problem was they got dirty real fast. A lot of complaints about, hey, I bought a premium portable, it's fantastic, but it really looks old really quick. They went to the nice blue and black. It's gorgeous. It matches many of the new truck mount equipment and logos out in the marketplace. It's just a really nice, clean look. Again, going back to the most important thing, the performance is literally second to none. I mean, it's not just a heat exchanger that takes a certain temperature of water and just heats it up a little bit, and whatever comes out, it comes out. This actually heats it up to that 208, 212 degree at the wand tips. So that is extreme performance out of 110 plugs into a wall, which is very uncommon in the portable industry. So with that, these portables are financeable. You know, we can get these leased. They're easy financing, super easy to use. I think it's a great, great opportunity for a guy who has a truck mount, needs a backup, or a guy who's working his way up to a truck mount but still wants kind of truck mount level performance where he's got really good vacuum and scream and heat. This is a great, great opportunity for them. So with that being said, our YouTube channel is loaded with videos on portables and truck mounts and ozone and all different kinds of topics, mold removal, sewage, you name it. There's all kinds of opportunities there, electronic metering and other things. So we would encourage you to go to our YouTube channel, like it. You can subscribe to it so that as we do these new videos, you guys can acquire this information, this knowledge, whether it's helping you with the equipment you already have in service, or if it's helping you make a decision on possibly which equipment is better for you. There's different videos that show different equipment, so one may be better than the other. So I'm going to end it with saying our website is www.shopnutech.com, and it's shopnutech.com, or you can call us toll free 800-435-5868, and we tech support all these brands of equipment. We're always happy to help you. Thanks for watching.